ingredients we need: bread, chili garlic paste, chopped coriander, curry leaves, salt, cumin and mustard, turmeric and asafoetida, boiled and mashed potatoes. Let's start by giving a tadka on medium flame. Heat a vessel. We will add 3 tablespoons oil. Let it heat. Now add half tablespoon cumin and half tablespoon mustard. Let it crackle. Add 1 tablespoon chopped curry leaves. 1 tablespoon chili garlic paste. Mix it once. Now add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon asafoetida powder. Now mix it a few times and our tadka is done. Add the tadka to 4 boiled and mashed potatoes. 3 tablespoons chopped coriander. Salt as required. Mix all the ingredients properly. Add the stuffing to make a sandwich. I like this sandwich with more stuffing, so add it according to your choice. Heat a pan and add some oil or ghee to toast the sandwich. I always use ghee to toast this sandwich as it gives a nice flavor to it. Toast it till it gets golden brown and crispy. You can also use a grill. Our tasty sandwich is ready. Serve these healthy, crispy and tasty sandwiches with ketchup, chutney or your favorite sauces. Do try this recipe at your home.